Hi, you are watching Cebu Elegant Properties Virtual House Tour. Please do like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to get more notifications from us. Welcome to this beautiful house with a $1 million view in the hills of Labangon, Cebu City. This multi-level property has a land area of 200 square meters and a floor area of about 700 square meters. We bring you to greater heights with all the perks of condo living packed in this 4-story house. We got you a gym and a seamless infinity pool. You don't have to go outside your house to experience those. This, and this. These are just few of the views you're gonna see any time of the day. Once they are all done and once they're all completed, prices in the nearby areas will shoot up. This is the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway, which will serve as an alternative route from Cebu City to Mactan Cebu International Airport, reducing the travel time by approximately 40 minutes. Well, this is the highly anticipated Seaside Arena, which will have a seating capacity of 16,000 and eyed to become the prime venue for major events, such as local and international concerts, sports events, and among others. And this is Isla de la Victoria, an 80,000 square meter world-class integrated development which is set to erect in the prime SRP Cebu, which will include bars, restaurants, mall, convention center, casino, park, theater, and no less than 3 hotels. Okay, now let's go back to the house tour. Right to its entrance in the lower ground floor, we have here the 4-car carport, and it is a passageway with a pocket garden leading to the main entrance. And now on the upper ground floor, you can see the infinity pool. It's really hard to get this in a city where nobody's gonna block your view all the way to the ocean, so you see both of the water, and at night you can see the twinkles of the city. So all this can be yours at 39 million pesos only. Now let's take a look what's inside this house. Here we have an open concept living area which leads you straight to the modern kitchen and the dining area. Every angle of this house you can really see the mesmerizing view outside. We've got you here a modern concept for the kitchen, and it's already equipped with a 2-door fridge, range hood, and an induction cooker. And oh, living with an elderly? It's not a problem. We got you an elevator for your convenience. And so this is a modern kitchen that I'm talking about, and it's really nice that you are gonna cook your favorite meal, having that view outside the window. Now up to the bedroom area, and notice that each room has its share of the beautiful view outside. This is the master's room. We got you here a spacious 24 square meter bedroom area, a walk-in closet, and a Zen-type bathroom with a bathtub. This is bedroom number 1, and it's a 16 square meter room with ensuite, toilet and bath, and this will be your view the entire time. Just like the other bedroom, bedroom number 2 is also a 16 square meter room with an ensuite, toilet and bath. Up to the sky deck, we got you here a gym which is enclosed with a floor-to-ceiling tempered glass windows and sliding doors, and a garden in the roof which is perfect for any occasions, much more during holidays. You can witness a dazzling fireworks display from the sky deck's 280-degree view. So let me show you the entire floor plan of the entire house. So let's start at the lower ground floor, and from there we can see the 4-car carport, and to the left is the driver's room with its own toilet and bath. And now on the upper ground floor, we got you here the maid's room and where the laundry area is, and a shared toilet and bathroom with a driver's room, a lounge, pool area, foyer, storage area, the elevator lobby, the living area, and the dining area and the lanai. Then up to the 3rd floor, we got you here a guest room with its own toilet and bathroom and a small terrace, and the master's bedroom which has a big terrace, an ensuite toilet and bathroom, and a walk-in closet. And then we got you here a storage area on this floor, and then an elevator lobby, and bedroom number 1 also has its own toilet and bathroom, and also a terrace together with bedroom number 2 which also has its own toilet and bathroom. And now we are on the sky deck area, and we have here the garden, gym, an office, and a lanai. So guys, there you go. I hope you like our video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and you may share it to your friends. So there you go guys. Once again, my name is Christine and I'm your virtual house tour buddy and your licensed real estate broker. Thank you so much for watching Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. Bye bye and God bless.